All right, good morning, everyone. So, how this works is you'll have your document. You can sort of type, but then, like wherever you want names or something, you can just leave it out or just give yourself an idea of where you want it or anything you want to change. So, what I've done, you type a Word document, and then I've also got a spreadsheet that's got some of the information. So, generally, what I do is I'll have like the person email, and then if you want something like gender specific, if you want to customize it like even he and she, then I can have a he she column, and then you go he, and then if it's like a beginning, you'll also go he she. So I'll do that and create one with all the words that I might use within my letter. I'll create a spreadsheet with that. So once you've got this spreadsheet, then you go to Word and you can type, and then you go to mailings. So just to summarize also, so what I did install this Mailmerge app. So it's actually a paid for app, but you get 30 days free. But then after that, we'll just have to pay for it. But then you go to Word and you can start Mailmerge step by step. So you say we want to send letters, you say next, and then you can just go select again, or next again here at the bottom right. And then now we have to use an existing list. So you say browse, and then I put mine on the desktop. So I'll just go to the desktop. You go where the spreadsheet is with all the information on. I called mine test, so I select it. I say okay. So I'll ask you which sheet you want to use. I've only got the one. Just make sure this is important. So in your spreadsheet, the first row must contain the headers. So your first row must just be headings. All right, then you say okay. Then you'll see it will give you the source, the Excel sheet, and the people, their emails, and everything you're going to use. So you'll use it there. Let's say you've got a list and you don't want to send to everybody. So then you can untick somebody. So now the email will just go to those two people. And then you say, okay. And then at this stage now, then when you go next, write your letter. So now you write everything in your letter. Let's say that wasn't there. So what you also use, you'll use your insert merge fields. So then you can put the person's name there. Name is a good guy, and then you can later, if you wanted to say delete he or she, then you insert your he she column there, and then let's say you want the next sentence and you want the capital letter one, he she one is not working. So you'll comprise your whole letter that you want to write. So this would be for us either the midterm report or commendations at the end of term. So you'll design your commendation here and just put the people's names and then the he, she's in where it needs to be in the commendation. Then you'll say next, and you'll see it will put in the first person. So then you'll see there's just a space, so, and then just put a space in. E is not working, delete E. So then you just make sure that all your spacing and stuff's right. If the first one's right, everything else would be after that would be fine. Spell check would also work here. And once you've done this, before you go complete the merge, you'll now, by installing that app, this appears. So you guys, if you didn't install that add-in, you won't have these ones. The problem is it will send your document, but your email itself will remain blank. So it's not too nice for a parent just receiving a blank email and then having at least the subject will be there, but the email itself will be blank. So then we use this merge and send. Now this open, you'll see I've got a trial version because I didn't pay for it, so mine only works for 30 days. So now to who you want to send. So here you choose your field. So obviously my field's in the email field. Then you can put your testing or whatever subject you want to put in. You can put in your there. If you want to add other stuff, you can. Message format. So then send the message as a PDF, because then this document that you typed here will become a PDF. And that's what we want. But now what we want to do is we want to change our email body. So you go here, edit message body, and you select that one. And now it will actually ask you to put there what do you want in the email. So what I then did, I just went to my email itself. I went to an email that was sent. Just see. Let's go to my sent. I'll go to my emails. I'll take my signature part, all that. I just copy that. And then here, what you can say, good day. Please receive the recommendation attached. And then you can paste your signature. So now my message will look like this. And then you say, okay. So now that is now in your message body. So now the email will look like that. But this document we typed will be an attachment. Right, then we can go to the sending settings. I can say who you want to send it to, but we basically already did all that. So we're happy with that. Then you can go send messages. And then here it will be sent, all that, it will send from that account. You say okay. And then it's sending those ones and close. So now I'll see if I open my email. The two emails were sent. So JP received this test one with his JP is a good guy. And with that message, oh, we must just change the font. And Dave received also same message in email, but then in here he received that Dave is a good guy. So I think this could really ease our efforts a lot.